Hi, we are still playing in the studio with the acrylic inks and techniques that I want to show you. I've got some water and a brush. I've got my acrylic ink, purple, Antelope Brown, lemon yellow and Paynes grey. I even got the orange, the flame orange and the Indian yellow. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put water down and I'm just going to drip inks in, and I'm going to try and replicate trees. So I just want to open all my inks so that it's easier for access, and then there we go. I'm just going to wait while I want to drop the ink. So I'm going to make one there. I think a little bit taller one there. I'm going to leave the spaces in between because I don't want them to overflow now into one another. Maybe I can make that one a little bit fatter. Okay, so here we go. I don't want them to be too dark, so I think I will just see what they do. I'm just going to guide them a little bit more into the water that I've dripped there. Just remember, these inks are very powerful, as I can put it that way. A little bit goes a long way, as you can see. I think I've almost dripped in too much for my taste now, but yeah, it's done. So I think I'm just going to quickly lay a paper over it and pick up the excess. Okay, this one can go a little bit more into the shape there. Just making them a little bit slightly bigger and lighter. This one is still too much for my tasting. Okay, now I'm just going to let that dry, and then I'll put on the next tree. It's dry now, so I'm going for the next trees. I'm going to overlap them a little bit. I think I'm going for a little bit of yellow there. And maybe a touch of green. Oh, that's too much, I think, but we'll see just now. This is a very light yellow. It's very transparent, so I just want to drip in a little bit more this side. Maybe a tad more. I wanted to go for very muted colors, but I just can't help myself with these bright colors. Okay, now I'm just going to quickly wait till it dry, and then I'm going to show you the next step. I'm going to use this jelly roll pens to do my inside of my trees. So I'm going to start with that one because I want it to be in front, and I'll decide later on for the ones that's at the back.
A step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I think I'm gonna do this one at the back now. I've got these acrylic paints. I'm just going to put in a little bit of something to highlight these trees. If the ink doesn't want to come up, you can just come out. You can just press it down a few times, not too much. Let me see. I think I'm going to go with a little bit of gold ink. I want to see what this does. It started to thicken, so I'm just going to use it off my brush now. I should have made those a little bit bigger. But I'll just go over them again. Let me see what I'm going to do next. I'm just going to slightly darken some of these. Go with the black over some of these ones that I lost the lines. Just want to put the wash there, and I think I'm almost finished.
I got time, it's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
I just want to go over over some of these again just to whiten them a little bit more.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you.
And there you go. Easy small landscape with trees on top of a hill. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you liked it, please like and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see something else. I'll always show you what I can do. And have a nice day.